Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find if your Windows is installed on an SSD or an hard drive. So to do this, let's go on down to the little search icon right here, and then just type in defrag, and we want to go to Defragment and Optimize Drives. Select this, and then you can see my C drive. There's a little Windows symbol right next to it. This is where Windows is installed, and it says the media type is solid state drive. So I have a solid state drive and SSD installed on my laptop. Another thing that we can do is go down to search and type in task manager, and we can open this up, and we can go down to where it says performances, and then go to the right and go to disk. So you can see it says SSD, NVMe SSD right here. So there's different types of SSD, and this one specifically lists NVMe, which is probably one of the newer and faster versions of it. It's the Kingston SNVS2 1000G. So we'll give you the name right there. And then I got the capacity. It's about 932 gigabytes, and it's formatted. So I got all that information right there. Another thing that we can do is go to System, Information, pop this open, go to Components, go on down to Storage, and go to Drives. And you can see where the Windows is installed on if you got multiple drives. So this is the C drive. And then we can go down to disk, and we can see more information about that located right here. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.